This is the problem I have with my Epson R800. Let's raise the tray. And you get this error message if you try and print. Basically it thinks there's a roll of paper in the back. The problem is this sensor. Paper comes in at the roll at the back or from the sheet feeder, and that sensor detects its presence and it's stuck. This is actually my own Epson Stylus R800 photo. The problem was, I'll show you, it's in bits. When I tried to print CDs and DVDs, this light would just flash, and the computer said that there was roll paper attached. Basically it thought there was paper in there permanently. What I found was this little arm here. This, when you feed paper in the back of the printer, it moves back, and that interrupts this little photo sensor. I've unjammed it, and now I've got to try and put it all back together, and it's quite fiddly. I've got the entire paper feeding mechanism out and all these wires and stuff everywhere. This is going to be fun, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, I think we've got somewhere. Now, it is complaining that the ink's low, but don't worry about that. When I lift this up, that light's not flashing. That's what it should do, it should flash once. And that's worked. Brilliant, happy with that. Right, let's see if it worked. Hey, check it out. Happy days. Let's try a DVD. Looking good. Perfect.